I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I share with you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make an extremely fresh and light rice recipe that is perfect for the summer months. It's a mint and cilantro rice, so let's get cooking. To make my mint and cilantro rice, I'm going to start by blending my herbs. So here I'm adding around 15 leaves of mint, a quarter cup of cilantro, and 1 Thai green chili, which is completely optional. I'm going to blend this till it's all smooth. And I also added a little bit of water to help with the blending process. And now I'm going to set this aside. To my pan on medium-high heat, I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add my cinnamon stick, 1 clove, a bay leaf, a cardamom pod that has been opened to release its flavors, and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. I'm going to toast this for around 30 seconds until really fragrant. My kitchen smells amazing. At this point, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions. I'm also going to salt my onions to speed up the cooking process, and I'm going to cook till light brown and translucent. As you can see, my onions are brown and translucent. At this point, I'm going to lower the temperature to the lowest before I add the paste of the mint and cilantro that we made initially. Cook this for around 3 to 4 minutes, and in the last minute, I'm going to bring the temperature back up to medium-high. Now that it's been 4 minutes and the mixture has come to a slight bubble, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk and give all of this a really good mix. Before I add my cooked rice, I'm going to salt my dish and also add a little bit of sugar to balance out the flavors. So I pre-cooked half a cup of dry basmati rice, which I then fluffed once cooked to separate the grains, and I'm going to add that to my mixture here. So now that my rice is in, I'm going to give everything a really good mix till all the rice is evenly coated in our coconut milk and herb mixture. I'm also going to add some green peas, which is completely optional. Here I'm using frozen green peas that I thawed and soaked in hot water for around a minute. Instead of green peas, you can also top your mint and cilantro rice with some toasted cashew nuts. And that's the finished dish. So this is a super quick recipe, but it's even faster to make if you already have cooked rice on hand. It is a crowd pleaser, so you can make it for potlucks, picnics, vegan barbecues as a side. Because it's so flavorful on its own, I like to eat it with just some vegan yogurt and some potato chips, but obviously feel free to make it your own. And if you want more dishes like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye!